This is the last fat loss video you are going to watch. Most of the fitness advice out there women hear are completely wrong. You are told to eat 12,000 calories and burn 1,000 calories in your workouts. But women who lose 20 to 30 kilos and manage to keep it off don't do that. How do I know it? Because I've done it. I lost 21 kgs in 6 months and I am going to walk you through the exact principles that helped me lose fat, get toned without starving or punishing my body. Most fitness advice sounds very simple. Just eat less and move your body more. But a female's body doesn't work like a basic calorie calculator. Your brain is constantly checking if it has enough energy to stay healthy. And when you eat less and work out more, your body stays under stress. So in that situation, it tries to save energy. Your metabolism slows down and your body starts to break muscle. And when your body starts to break muscle, your body becomes worse at burning fat. Imagine a woman who eats 2000 calories per day and all of a sudden she cuts down to 1200 calories per day. At first, she might think that she's losing some weight, but after few days, she starts to feel tired, hungry all the time, and low energy throughout the day. And instead of looking toned, her body starts to look weak, her skin becomes pale. That's because her body is losing muscles while still holding onto the fat to protect itself. So, what to do? Use a moderate calorie deficit, around 300 to 500 calorie deficit per day only. Let's say your maintenance calories are 2000 calories. So, you have to aim for 1500 से 1700 calories per day, not 1200. This allows you to lose fat without going into stress or survival mode. And if you want to know how to calculate your calorie deficit, watch this video after you finish this one. Fat loss happens better when your body feels fueled and supported, not starved. But calories are not enough to give you that toned and lean look. And here's where women do their next mistake. पता है सबसे बड़ा misconception क्या है? To have a toned look, to have a lean look, women have to lift light weights. Bullshit. A toned, lean look happens from two things: when you have muscles and when you have a lower body fat. Muscle is what gives your body the shape you desire, and without muscle, even if you lose weight, you look weak, not strong or toned or lean. Strength training, lifting heavy weights is what will help you build muscles and help you lose fat throughout the day and not only during your workout. Imagine there are two women who want to lose 5 kgs. One woman does endless cardio and the other woman does strength training 3 to 4 times per week. Both end up losing same weight on the weighing scale, but their bodies look completely different. The woman who strength trains looks stronger, leaner and toned, whereas the woman who is just doing endless cardio ends up looking weak and skinny fat because she has lost the muscles too. And my love, you don't need to follow any complicated routine. If you are strength training 3 times a week, you can do full body workout every single time. No harm in that. If you are doing 4 times a week, you can do upper body, lower body, upper body, lower body. And if you have more time, you can give 5 to 6 days, you can have a better split. You can follow push pull legs, push pull legs. Focus on compound exercises like squats, hip thrusts, shoulder presses, lunges, rows, push-ups and pull-ups. Yes, you have to learn that. You have to use weights in which last 2 to 3 reps feel so challenging. Do 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets per exercise. That's it. That's all you need. If your goal is to look toned, your goal should not be just to lose weight. Your goal should be to build muscle and lose fat. Now, even if you are doing strength training regularly, eating the right amount of calories, there is one fat loss mistake every woman does which makes their life harder. Many women believe working out on an empty stomach is what they need to burn fat. So they wake up, drink coffee and go straight to the gym. Been there, done that. But a female's body is naturally under stress when we wake up in the morning. When you wake up, a hormone called as cortisol is naturally high. It's normal, it helps you wake up. But if you train on an empty stomach, especially an intense workout, your cortisol goes even higher. And when your cortisol stays high for too long, your body does 3 things: break down down muscle, hold on to fat, feels tired and hungry all the time. Imagine someone waking up at 6 a.m., drinks morning coffee, goes straight to the gym, does an intense workout followed by a cardio session, but she hasn't eaten anything since her dinner last night. So automatically during the workout, she doesn't have enough fuel to push. So energy कहाँ से आएगी? ऐसे केस में your body holds on to fat and starts breaking muscle instead. Later during the day, she feels hungry, low on energy and gets super strong cravings. तो क्या करे? Instead of fully working out on an empty stomach, have a small protein snack before you work out. It could be 20 to 30 grams of carbohydrates, which could be a banana or 2 or 3 dates. If you are strength training, also add 10 to 15 grams of protein, which could be anything, your protein shake or Greek yogurt. I am telling you, fat loss doesn't require you to starve your body. A fueled body performs way better when it comes to fat loss and gaining muscle. चलो जी, अब वर्कआउट अच्छे से हो गया, कैलोरी इंटेक का पता चल गया, also fasted workouts नहीं करने पता चल गया. But the next mistake I often see women doing and then they ask me कि fat loss क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. Many women who are trying to lose fat are not eating enough protein. हमें लगता है हम खा रहे हैं but हम नहीं खा रहे हैं, हम सिर्फ दाल पे फोकस कर रहे हैं, which is not a reliable source of protein. Women, we need protein as much as men do. In fact, I strongly believe we need it more. Protein is essential for you to have that dream body you have in your head, to lose fat, to build muscle, to make sure that you are not hungry every 2 hours. And if your protein intake is low, your body will eventually hold fat and lose muscle, which will make you look skinny fat. Like this, yeah. And when your muscle goes down, your metabolism also slows down. Everything is interrelated at this point. If this is how your meals look like: breakfast, toast or tea, lunch, roti sabzi, dinner mein again roti sabzi with some salad. These meals are not unhealthy. They just don't have protein. They are just carb heavy. You ask yourself, after having a meal, you must be hungry within 1 to 2 hours, which is a big indicator that your meals lack protein. तो क्या करें? We have to aim for 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilo body weight. Example, if you are a woman who weighs 60 kilograms, you have to eat about 90 to 120 gram protein each day. Spread it across your day, across your meals. Make sure your each meal has minimum 30 grams of protein. You can add eggs, boneless chicken, paneer, tofu, soya, Greek yogurt, dal, lentils. Very good for fiber also. And if you eat fish, eat fish. If you are really serious to have that lean look, if you want that toned body, a flat belly, eat protein, my loves, eat protein. You know, I've watched so many fat loss videos, but this advice or this parameter nobody considers, which is very important for women if they are losing fat. A female's body changes throughout the month based on our monthly cycle. And इससे क्या होता है पता है? Our energy levels, our mood, our hunger hormones and our metabolism keeps fluctuating. After your period, your body enters into follicular phase, and in that phase, most women, not all women, most women feel, you know, energetic, bold, more motivated, and that phase you have to use it for your own benefit. This is your time to hit that PR. This is your time of the month to lift heavy. Also, you can add more carbs in your meals because during this period your body can absorb carbs pretty well. But during your luteal phase, a week before your period, you might feel a little bit low on energy, body fatigue increases, which is absolutely normal. This is how our female biology is. You have to understand your body, you have to listen to your body. Just phase mein, if you are feeling really good, if you feel like I can hit that PR today, I can do deadlifts, go for it, hit the PR. But when you feel like your body needs to recover, you need to slow down, take a step back, do that. Don't force your body. Because I'm telling you, I have been someone who was doing the same intense level workouts throughout the month and I was miserable. Fat loss happens really well when you sync it up with your cycle and not against it. And this takes me to the next two fat loss blockers nobody cares about. So let's say you're eating well, you're strength training regularly, you're eating enough protein and everything is fine, but still you're not seeing the results. this could be the reason. And the reason is your sleep cycle and your stress levels. But then, no matter what you do, if your sleep is messed up, your results won't show. Sorry to break it out to you, but it is what it is. And same goes with the stress. If you are stressed, the cortisol will stay high all the time, which I told in the earlier sections, it will make you crave more, it will hold on to fat. So, kya kare? Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Stop eating minimum 3 hours before bedtime. देखो, stress ना लेना is something nobody can tell you because मैं खुद बहुत लेती हूँ. Managing it is in your hand. Go out for walks, start meditating, breath work, take short breaks during your work, it changes a lot. A body that feels safe, rested and supported burns fat efficiently. Now let's talk about that one weight loss trend everyone overdoes. HIIT, high intensity interval training. The day a woman decides to start losing weight, that day you will see her doing HIIT workout. Yeah, they can be effective, no doubt in that. But if you are only relying on that and overdoing it every single day, you are just making your fat loss difficult. Too much of HIIT is putting your body under stress and not letting your body recover well. So limit it to 1 to 2 sessions per week only. Focus more on strength training, walking, light movement, and ho sake to 7 to 8,000 steps minimum per day. If we are doing fat loss, we have to make sure along with the training we are recovering well as well. But then women have been told over the years that if you want to lose fat, if you want to get your dream body, you have to punish yourself, you have to starve yourself, you have to eat less, you have to do endless cardio. But what works is the exact opposite. When your body feels fueled, supported and rested well, fat loss happens like a piece of cake. That means you have to focus on moderate calorie deficit, strength training, enough protein, a good night's sleep, managing your stress and respecting your cycle. This is exactly how I lost 21 kgs. Yeah, start में मैंने बहुत mistakes किए थे, but when I learned to listen to my body, when I learned things I just shared in the video, I was able to lose weight and keep it off till date through consistent habits and not punishing my body. And I strongly believe this is the best fat loss approach that works well with a female's body.